listening skills. But Manoja is not able to join. But anyway, Elizabeth is here, or any one of you can be the client, because Suman and Kanha already expressed that they want to be the clients, and they want me to be the counselor. Let's see. We can have somebody, we can have the role play. Manoja Jacob is one of our resource persons who's been helping us from maybe 3 to 4 years. She's been involved with this program, and she is a clinical psychologist, academically qualified from Nimhans, Bangalore, and she has work experience of CMC Vellore and Government College Calicut in Kerala. She says her net is very weak, so she was not able to join. She was very enthusiastic, and we planned a role play also for you. That was, in fact, a surprise, but I was not able to do that. Let the surprise continue. We'll have it one day. Okay. First, let me, when I ask question, you can just put the answer in the chat box instead of all of you opening the mic. First, let us uh, go back to our last class, and I want, if anybody is ready, now almost 43 are there in the class. If anybody is ready who want to give a demonstration of listening, you can message, you can put it in the box so that two of you can come forward. Otherwise, we'll go ahead. No volunteers? Okay. Okay. Now let us have the typical class. I'm quickly taking attendance. Advesha, you should open your mic and say present. Advesha?
Yes, ma'am.
Anindita? Anjali?
Yes, ma'am. Anindita.
Anindita. Anjali? Kumari?
Yes, ma'am.
Anjali? Anjani? Kesari?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ankita Bodra? Ankita Chauhan?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Debasmita?
Ma'am, Devmita Shah. Present, ma'am.
Debasmita Mohanty?
Present, ma'am.
Geetima?
Present, ma'am.
Ghanshyam Behra? Harihar Sahu? Jasmeet Kaur?
Present, ma'am.
Jashodhara Behra? Jasmeet, you are there, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Jashodhara Behra is there. Kanha? Kageshwar?
Yes, ma'am.
Mansi Sahu? Manisha?
Yes, ma'am. Mansi Sahu Behra.
Manshi Sahu, and one more Manisha is there, and Manshi is there. There
Yes,
are
ma'am.
three.
I'm Mansi Sahu Behra, ma'am.
Okay, Manshi Sahu Behra is present. Manisha? Manshi?
Yes, ma'am. Mansi.
Okay. Shabbir Ali? Madhusmita? Pallavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Pratima?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka?
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Pushpanjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Rajeshri?
Yes, ma'am.
Behra? Rajeshri Rajalakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Raju?
Ma'am, Rajashri Behra.
Okay.
Ma'am, Pushpanjali. Present.
Yes. Yes, yes. Rashmita Behra?
Yes, ma'am.
Rashmireka Sahu, very much there. Sadhana?
Yes, ma'am.
Sakshi? Sanjana? Sanjay, sorry. Sanjay Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
Saptanjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Shekhar Suman? Shivani? Shivaprakash?
Present, ma'am.
Smita? Sobna Priyadarshini? Suman Verma? Moshni Prabhani,
Yes, ma'am.
Sushobita,
Yes, ma'am.
Swagatika Sen,
Yes, ma'am.
Usha, Smriti Rekha, Shraddhanjali, Leelu Sheikh, Swapna Mishra. Yeah, I just wanted to, oh yeah, I'm getting yes ma'am here also. Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
Now,
Shaun Bose, ma'am.
huh?
Shaun Bose, ma'am.
There's
Present,
no
ma'am.
sound.
Shaun Bose, ma'am. Shaun Bose. I'm
Sawan Bose.
present, ma'am.
Oh, Sawan Bose, your assignments have not come. Probably that is why in the register your name is not there.
Ma'am, I have talked to you. I have submitted all the assignments, ma'am.
Can you just check when did you submit and how did you submit?
Ma'am, I have submitted on 17th. I have sent it from Kolkata on 70th and reached there by 23rd of June, I think,
Oh,
ma'am.
no, as per our record, it is not there. Anyway, don't worry. We will just check once more. If necessary, you may have to scan and send it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Raju Dubey, ma'am.
Raju Dubey, I haven't. It's entered.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's go ahead.
Ma'am,
Yes,
MD Sabir Ali, ma'am.
Shabir Ali, I called. I got it.
good
Yes.
afternoon,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
actually I
Thank you,
got
ma'am.
disconnected.
Who?
Ma'am,
Suman.
Smita Mahanta.
Yeah. Anyway, this is just for a feel of class. I took attendance. Shekhar Suman is taking attendance, and I have enabled auto. Attendance also. Automatically the attendance will be taken, and that also comes to me. I just wanted to know your names. You know, I am not very familiar with many of you. Some of the faces are familiar on this. Some of you I remember during our orientation, but since we are not having that day-to-day interaction and attendance, taking attendance is one of the very interesting activity for a classroom teacher. If some of you are teachers, and I know you will definitely appreciate the beauty of taking attendance in the class. It's a wonderful time for a teacher and students, because I remember I was a class teacher for class 1 long back, nearly 30 years back. So I used to love this activity because my students used to love listening to their names. That's the best part, you know, when I say their names, and it is an activity. They'll jump from their seat and say, yes ma'am, present ma'am, I am here. So that used to be a very good warm-up exercise of 5 minutes in the class. I thought in this platform we are missing on it because auto attendance is there. My intention of taking attendance was I want to be familiar with your names, and moreover, instead of posing a question to the whole group, I want all of you to be in the class, no doubt. I know you're all adult learners, and you all are here with your intrinsic motivation. I don't have to know that you are listening or you are not. I'm very sure you're all intrinsically motivated, and your attendance also, almost all the classes, all of you are present except one or two. That too, they always message that they were not able to join because of network problem. What I can do is, because in this platform I'm not able to look at everybody's face, and I thought if I know the attendance, I can call out a name and they can open their mic and speak, so that I know their face and I know them, that this is one of the, see, these are all learning. When we are using the new platform for an interaction, we need to evolve ourselves with our day-to-day learning. This is one of the learning. I thought I will take attendance and I will call names in between with whom I can speak to. Okay, since Manoja has not joined and we cannot go ahead with our role play plan, what I thought is I don't have any other plan. Rather, without plan, what we can do today is I will say one or two sentences and I will ask somebody. I'll tell by name, and I want that person to paraphrase, because last class also we tried listening skills. Just today, specifically paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is one of the skills of attending to the listeners, wherein the listener The speaker is saying something and the listener will repeat either the last letter or the last phrase, last word, or a small sentence or a phrase communicating the meaning of the whole sentence. This is what is paraphrasing. Let us see. I will say one sentence now. This is a test to your listening skills. I hope the audio is clear. I hope the audio is clear. So I'm a client now. I'm speaking, or I would always say student. I'm a student. So teacher has called me and the conversation is going on. I'm saying probably a teacher noticed that I'm not interested in coming to the class. So the conversation is going on and I say, okay, now the imaginary status. I'm a student of say class 9. Okay. Ma'am, I came to the school just 6 months back. My father got transferred to this place and our family moved to this new school. I don't have any friends here. I don't like to come to the school. Shekhar?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll say again. Yeah. Please put your mics, please unmute, and only Shekhar is the respondent now. Sorry, 1 second. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We were calling you yesterday. We wanted some psychological tests from you. Would it be all right? You can call the other number, my colleague's number, because I'm in class now. The other person who had called you. Otherwise, I'll get back to you after 4 o'clock. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll repeat the sentence, Shekhar. You have to be ready
Yeah,
for
ma'am.
paraphrasing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
My parents moved to this city, and because of my parents shifting to this city, I had to change my school. And since I came to the school, I don't have any friends. So I'm not interested to come to the school.
Have you talked to your parents?
1 minute.
Uh,
Hold on. You should know what is it
Yes.
not. Hold on. Rajeshri Behra.
You seems to be feeling sad.
Okay.
You miss your friends.
Yes. Manshi Sahu.
Ma'am, good afternoon. First, I will give this way. Oh, acha. So you are not finding any friend over here. Like this, I will first paraphrasing it.
Okay. Paraphrase. You just have to tell what you want to. What is that paraphrasing? Okay.
Ma'am, I want to say.
Pushpanjali.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Where have you been before? Is there any problem?
Okay. Anyway, now thank you so much. Anybody? Ghosh, Anindita, no? Anindita Ghosh, you are there?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
Paraphrasing. Oh, don't have any friends.
Anindita, just a minute. I'll come back to you. Kanha,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me. Kanha.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am, you want me to say? Is it?
Anindita, I'll come back to you.
Yes,
Kanha
madam.
wanted to say something, so let me give him some time and then I'll get back to you. Be ready. Anindita,
Okay,
be
sure.
ready. Yes, Kanha.
Okay, sure.
The sentence will be like this. Oh, don't having friends. You are not interested to come to school. Don't have friends. Come with me. Okay.
Okay. Yes, Anindita.
Yes. So you're feeling lonely, are you?
Okay. Okay.
You haven't you've been having difficulty finding friends, is it?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, now I understood very clearly that we need to practice all the listening skills one at a time, because all of you are giving something, but paraphrasing is a very specific skill wherein we are just repeating what the client says. Can you say the same sentence, any of you? I will repeat, let me see. Or let us come to, I'll give you another sentence. For example, here, you as a counselor, I would say that I'm not interested to come to the school. I have no friends. You have no friends. That is paraphrasing. No friends. That's paraphrasing. One more sentence, let me tell you. Now let me call somebody. Madhusmita Behra.
Yes, ma'am.
And Pushpanjali Malik. Madhusmita Behra and Pushpanjali Malik are getting the first option of paraphrasing. Whenever, see, I'm a student of class 7 now. I'm telling my teacher, I'm talking to the counselor, or I'll just say teacher. I'm talking to the teacher. Miss, whenever my brother asks something, my mother gives immediately. But when I ask anything, my mother will scold me.
Oh, ma'am, can I say? When your brother gives, sorry, one minute, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to say,
Oh,
Take time.
your mother scolding you. Oh, your mother scolding you. Oh my
Okay.
God.
Okay.
Then what happened then?
Okay. 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 Anybody, Madhusmita, can you say, or you want little more time? Now,
ma'am, just a minute.
okay, Madhusmita, no problem. Take time. Take time. Now, I want somebody, I'll call out the name because that's easier for me, or you can, in the message, you can say who wants to say. I have a question now. You heard my sentence and you heard Pushpanjali's response to it. What is your observation on these two, this as a communication? You can just put it in the chat box and then come, I'll give chance. Who wants to talk about it? Sona Priyadarshini. Yeah.
Ma'am, please,
So,
sir, repeat
I'm
it.
sorry, is it Sona Priyadarshini?
Ma'am, hello?
I want Sona
Hello, ma'am.
Priyadarshini first. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
please.
Oh, mother scold you.
Okay, thank you. Usha?
Ma'am, ma'am, the statement which you made, you said that when my brother asked something, my mother immediately gave me, and whenever I ask her, she scolds me. And my peer, my classmate, she reacted to that statement instead of paraphrasing in a complete sense, ma'am.
Okay. Kanha wanted to say something?
Yes, ma'am. The teacher who replied to you, I forgot her name. He is a very passive one. She is a very passive one. When you say that, ma'am, my mother is scolding, you see, your mother is scolding, then what? Then what? That means he is not at all attentive on you. He is not attentive to your problem.
Okay.
He just wants to listen and know more what
Okay,
problems
fine.
you are having.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, now I'll go to Madhusmita and then we'll get back to the final conclusion. Madhusmita.
Ma'am. Oh, your mother scolded you.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Usha had one point in her saying that. Can you repeat, Usha, once again? What did you say about the conversation?
Yes, ma'am. When the student spoke that whenever my brother asked my mother anything, she immediately gave him. And whenever I ask, she scolds me. So my classmate, she instead of paraphrasing, she reacted. She gave a response.
Yes, 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 yes. Can you paraphrase, Usha?
Ma'am, what I understand, I will say. Okay, beta, your mother is scolding you because you are asking things and she is giving it immediately. So we can talk now. Don't worry, don't worry.
Okay. Anyway, you all are very enthusiastic counselor. You want to say much more than what is required in that moment. This is a very typical phase of learning, where, see, when a small child learns to walk, they cannot walk properly, but they want to run because they have learned something and they want to do more of it because that is the enthusiasm. I'm so happy to see your enthusiasm, but that is what is the difference. See, paraphrasing here could be, there are types of paraphrasing. We'll come to it. In paraphrasing, really, we are not reacting. Oh, your mother is scolding you. Isme kya hai? There is a kind of judgment that I am giving mother is wrong. Or I am reacting to the emotion of the client. Paraphrasing is communicating that you are attending. You are attending to the client. That's all. For example, in this case, I would paraphrase as, even the facial expression and the tone are very important here, as like any other listening skill. Here I would say scolds you. Just repeating the last, sometimes word is enough, or two words are enough, or a phrase is enough, or sometimes it is giving a understanding to your whole 2-3 sentences. The client says you can put everything together as one sentence to say that you have understood. You are showing the client that you are with the client and you are fully attending to the client. Anyway.
Excuse me, madam. Can I interrupt, please?
Yes, Anindita.
Yeah, I just wanted to know that at which point of time do we interrupt, like in a conversation? Like, for example, the child is saying that when my mother says, when my brother says, my mother listens, but when I say, my mother does not listen. And then the client goes on. But when do I, as a counselor, interrupt, with my paraphrasing?
Oh.
Is it wait till a pause, or in between I, just go in and say?
Yes.
That's all.
I want, anybody has a particular view for this? Jasmeet?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, Shekhar. Jasmeet. Jasmeet, Usha, I'll come back to you before I can give. Suman?
Hello, ma'am.
Suman Verma?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to say something. Anindita had a question. What is your view? It's not rather a question. It's let us just call it as, there's nothing called as yes or no answers in these things. This is all very contextual. She had a doubt or a clarification. What do you think about it, or what do you feel? You can share your views.
Yes, ma'am. Like, I feel when two people are talking during a conversation, first thing we need to listen to the person, but sometimes we need to say or some of the sounds should be produced which makes the listener more comfortable. And if regarding paraphrasing also, I think in between we can interrupt, sometimes we can interrupt. Like if we can just feel that the sentence is about to be over, then we can in between we can interrupt. I feel so, ma'am.
Okay, that's your feeling. Usha wanted to say, I'll give, if anybody is not clear, can I give chance to Usha?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we did not wait till the conversation ends, and we should not. We need to paraphrase in between just to reassure the client that we are listening to him, we are with him, and it will not be called an interruption. It will be a paraphrasing, emphasizing that yes, I am listening to you. So important points to be picked up and to be repeated to the client, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thanks for all your views, Suman, Usha, Anindita, for your thank you so much, because you're all giving a new way, new dimension to the discussion which is going on. I would really say, yes, some of you, and it's very true that it is very contextual. Sometimes it depends, you may have to interrupt if you feel the client is emotionally disturbed, very confused, in distress, you may have to interfere. Otherwise, I don't know, as per the situation, I feel if there is a free flow of conversation, the paraphrasing can be a flow with it, like scolds. You are sad. No friends. It can flow with the conversation. If there is no pause, sometimes you can simply listen without paraphrasing, because there are other ways of communicating your attentiveness. There are so many non-verbal ways of attending. For example, eye contact, nod, your physical posture. So the client is very sure you are attending, so they go on and on. If there is a need, yeah, Jasmeet is putting it, yeah, you can communicate. But the question is paraphrasing, the need for paraphrasing. Is it a must that we paraphrase? There is absolutely no rule and no guideline that you have to paraphrase at this time, and for this sentence you have to paraphrase. There is absolutely no rule. It all is situational, and it should go with the flow. The client should not feel that we are interrupting them with our paraphrase also, because sometimes the thought flow is going, and it depends on the way they are, the speed also. If it is continuous, only non-verbal is enough. If there is some disturbance, there is some obstacle, you feel there is some breaks in the statement, your paraphrasing may help a lot. Okay. Now can we have somebody can tell your problem or a situation wherein I can act as a counselor. I can demonstrate listening. I may go wrong. Or what is your opinion about my listening? You can note down, and then we can discuss on that.
Can I become the client?
Yes. Ankita, you can have your own problem if it is not confidential, or you can use an imaginary situation, or from your experience, you can a student whom you have come across who had a problem and you know the problem very well, you can act to be that student also.
Okay,
Two options are there.
Can I start, ma'am?
Okay, you don't have to say whether it is your own or somebody's, you don't have to say. You can
Ma'am.
start. Okay. Now I want you to observe Ankita. All of you should pin her to your screen so that you will have Ankita in one side and me in the other side. All others can switch off the mic. We can go for, let's see how much it will go on. 2-3 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. I want you to note down your observation. Begin, Ankita.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Ankita, and ma'am, I have a problem of anxiety from my childhood. And ma'am, as I'm growing, it is also increasing day by day. So, ma'am, what to do? I'm in problem, ma'am. I'm facing lots of difficulties, especially when I'm in a crowd. A feeling of inferiority, a feeling of anxiety, feeling of nervousness. All these things are coming to my mind, ma'am. What to do, ma'am? Please tell me.
Since when you have been feeling this?
Ma'am, from childhood, ma'am. Like, ma'am, from the age of 7 to 8, ma'am.
7 to 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have it even now?
Yes, ma'am. It's increasing, ma'am, day by day as I'm growing.
What have you been doing when you are anxious?
Ma'am, I just sit on a silent place, and most of the time, ma'am, I just talk to myself that why I'm feeling like this. What is the cause behind this? I should know the reason. If it will be the silly one, then I should be very much calm and okay as soon as possible. If the reason is very, means ma'am, strong or something very bad happened to me, then I cried. I wanted to talk to my best friend. When he or she also not picked the call, then I used to why she is not picking my call? Is she also ignoring me? That means I'm so bad. I don't have any capability or ability. I'm so bad. This kind of thinking usually I have, ma'am.
So from your childhood, you have this kind of feeling.
Not exactly, ma'am, but it's increasing, and now it's totally increased on its, ma'am, extreme level. That's why I cried, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Can you say one instance of anxiety as an example? What kind of situation creates anxiety in you?
Ma'am, when I'm with any new person, means the first conversation or the first interaction with any new person, or when I'm in any examination, especially, ma'am, not in a school examination, in an entrance.
Entrance. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, when the thing's totally new to me, ma'am, that time I always feel.
Okay, new situation. Okay, I think we have gone more than 5 minutes. Who will give any observation? Sanjay Kumar Panda.
Ma'am.
Sanjay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sanjay. Yes, Sanjay.
What is the question, ma'am? Ma'am.
1 minute, Sanjay. Let's see, many have been wanting to say. Okay, some are putting it. Harihar Sahu. I think nobody is saying. I will give chance to Anindita. Kanha.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually, when Ankita ji, she was putting her problem before you, I observe you paraphrasing.
Okay.
2-3.
Two,
You
three
are
times.
paraphrasing very okay.
Uh,
Anxiety, okay. And ma'am, you ask some question in between.
uh,
You tell her. You interrupt her by changing, asking question, 2 questions. One you ask when from. You are asking about the time from which age you are having this problem.
yeah.
In the beginning, she told that she is having this problem from age of 7 to 8, but later on, after 2 minutes, she changed that this type of problem occurs when she is meeting some new person in the first interaction. So that
Okay.
means it is easy to counsel her for.
Okay, there was a question in the pop box. I would want to answer. Can paraphrasing be question form? It is not. Questioning is a clarification. It is not paraphrasing. Just a clarification because a question there. Usha and Anindita want to say. I'll give you 30 seconds each.
Yes, ma'am. To me, the counselor is very attentive listener, reassuring the client in between. And
What
what
was that which was giving reassurance?
Ma'am, when you repeat, when you try to respond in a probing, when you said, okay, this is what is the problem. You have also inquired furthermore, since when you are having this problem.
Yeah.
You feel that this is.
Yeah. Okay.
No, sorry.
Yes.
Since when this. In paraphrasing, madam, you have mentioned about you re-emphasize the word entrance exam, then anxiety, then new situation.
Yeah.
These were
exactly. See, that is what is paraphrasing. What words was told by her? I'm just stressing on the keywords. So the client gets a reassurance that yes, this listener is with me. The listener is able to identify my situation. That is what is the reassurance. 30 seconds to Anindita, then I'll go to Smita.
Yes, madam, you can go ahead. I think almost all of the points were covered, which was. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Smita. स्मिता महंता, आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं तो बोलिए.
हाँ, यस मैडम. मैडम, आप जब बात कर रहे थे तो यू आर वेरी स्वीटली paraphrasing to her. What happened like this? And
What happened is not paraphrasing. The questioning is always clarification. Paraphrasing is being with her. Giving her reassurance that I am understanding her flow of thought. Okay.
Yes, madam. Your listening type is all were present. Questioning also there is supportive type listening, and all are there. And your response is very calm and quiet.
Okay. Can we have one more situation? Ankita was a very expressive student for me. She was, just a second. Hello. I'm in the class. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ankita, the second session will be in next class for you.
Okay, ma'am. But ma'am, I really want to counsel from you, ma'am.
Okay. If you don't mind, we can have it in the whole group so that others learn.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's actually, ma'am, it's a very common problem. Generally, people have the anxiety. No problem, ma'am.
Sure. I'll understand your problem. This is just rapport building, listening. Next session for analyzing the problem also, we will come back to you and take your situation, and we will, the next stage is goal setting and intervention. We will do the intervention also with you. By the time you complete, say around 1.5-2 months, we will see the feedback from you also. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Pushpanjali.
Ma'am, I observe that what kind of emotions and problems she expressed through her words. That is my observation.
Good. You should, yeah, it's observing the emotion of the client, and as a listener, how do you sometimes you may have to reciprocate the emotion also. Otherwise, if the client is going on, it is
Yes, ma'am.
giving a attentive listening to them. Now, one more we have some more time. We can have one more. I want somebody else to volunteer to talk about a problem. Otherwise, if anybody is ready to be a counselor, I want to tell a problem with my experience, my school experience, I will tell. Or
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I will
ma'am,
I will be the counselor.
no, ma'am.
Gitima,
Yes,
Kana,
ma'am.
just a minute. Next time is your
Yes,
chance. Gitima, you want to say something?
No, ma'am. This time that you told that you will be going to, you will be saying something, then I would like to try my role as counselor now.
Okay. So Gitima wants to be a counselor. Kanha is also ready to be a counselor or a
Yes,
client?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Client or a
Counselor.
counselor?
Counselor.
Okay. So two are ready to be counselors. Can I ask anybody from your group to be a student? An option. I'm just giving you this option. If anybody wants to say,
Yes, ma'am.
Gitima and Kanha will be the counselor. Ayushi, you want to be?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I want
Anjali,
to be
ma'am.
the
Hello,
student.
ma'am.
Okay, three are there. One after the other. Let us come. Anjali
Ma'am.
Kumari.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. I want to be a student.
Yeah, Anjali Kumari is coming out with a narration or problem, or she is initiating a conversation.
Yes, ma'am.
We will have one at a time. Geetima will be the counselor. Next, we
Yes,
will
ma'am.
have another student, and Kanha will be the counselor. Yes, we can pin Anjali and Geetima to the screen so that we can observe both of them. Geetima, we request you to on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Anjali, both. Start. Both
Hello.
of you should see each other. Can you see? Anjali and Geetima, can you see each other on the screen?
Ma'am, Anjali, ma'am, the camera is off, ma'am.
No,
Anjali,
ma'am.
no, she has switched on her camera. You have to pin her. You go to the side. Anjali Kumari, you pin her to the screen so you can see her. Okay?
Okay.
I want all the students here to take Geetima, because all 43 cannot come on the screen. You have to select them so that you will come on the screen. Yes, begin, Anjali.
Hello, Geetima, ma'am.
Hello. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I
How
have
are
a
you?
problem.
Okay. Tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am. I have a feel problem. Changing when I change my place
Yeah.
and go to relative house and other friend house, I feel irritating. Uh, just like irritating. जैसे कि मन में आता है कि वहां से मैं चले जाऊं, ज्यादा देर तक मैं रुक नहीं पाती वहां पे, या फिर रिलेटिव के यहाँ जाऊं, या फिर यहाँ तक कि नाना जी के भी घर जाऊं तो मैं वहां नहीं ज्यादा दिन तक रुक पाती। लगता है जैसे कि वो जगह मुझे काट रही है, तो मैं फिर बैक चली जाती हूँ। मैं जहाँ पे ज्यादा दिन तक रह जाऊं फिर वहीं रहना चाहती हूँ। ये प्रॉब्लम है मेरे में।
Acha. Okay. So, can you tell me one incident where you feel this मच मतलब आपको किस सिचुएशन में ऐसा होता है? ऐसे आप घूमने जाते हो तब ऐसा फील होता है कि किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन में जाए, किसी फेस्टिवल में जाए, तब ऐसा होता है?
नहीं नहीं, इंस्टीट्यूशन में नहीं। मैं जब किसी रिलेटिव के यहाँ जाती हूँ या किसी
हाँ
जैसे शादी में कहीं जाना हो या फिर कोई फेस्टिवल में घर जाती हूँ तो घर रहने का मन नहीं करता। मैं मतलब 2-4 दिन के बाद चली जाती हूँ।
ओके ओके ओके।
ऐसा क्यों होता है मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, जबकि ऐसा है कि वहाँ पे ऐसा थोड़ी है कि मुझे कुछ बुरा कोई बोलता है फिर भी रहने का दिल नहीं करता।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ओके, इट्स फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम। एक्चुअली आपको
ऐसा क्यों होता है मुझे आज तक समझ नहीं आया।
ओके, तो आप जहाँ भी जाते हो छत से 2-3 दिन के बाद चले तो अपने घर में रह के आपको अच्छा लगता है?
मैं यहाँ पे मैं यहाँ मेरा घर नहीं है।
ओके,
मैं
ओके।
फ्लैट लेके रहती हूँ, यहाँ पे ही जॉब करती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे या अदर रिलेटिव के यहाँ जाने को मन नहीं
ओके
करता, चाहे कितना भी अच्छा भी है
ओके
वो।
ओके ओके ओके, then
Okay,
relatives, yes
I
ma'am.
think I think enough. We can just
Okay.
thank you so much.
Okay.
No, I have
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
anyway, Kanha, as a counselor, you have something to say.
One thing,
Anjali, now the
what
second counselor is
Gitima
ready.
ji,
Let me see.
what Gitima ji could not extract the inner feelings of Anjali ji. Actually, she was repeating the same thing. I don't feel comfort. I want to return back. मैं भाग आती हूँ, वहाँ नहीं रह पाती हूँ. So I think Gitima ji should have asked him one two questions from other direction. Like what differences you feel, what type of problems
You ask now. Let's continue. Yes, Anjali.
Okay, Anjali ji, कैसे हैं आप?
जी, हेलो सर।
How are you?
Fine sir, and you sir?
Good morning Anjali ji.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. कैसे हैं? Good afternoon. How are you?
ठीक है सर।
अच्छा, जब आप घर जाती हैं दूसरों के घर तो डिफरेंस फील करती हैं?
हाँ, मुझे लगता है जैसे कि हाँ, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस फील करते हैं। लगता है जैसे कि उन लोगों को पसंद नहीं है मेरा आना, ऐसा फील होता है।
पसंद, ओके, क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि
जबकि
क्यों फील करते हैं?
बुलाने पर ही जाते हैं।
अच्छा, बुलाते
हेलो सर।
हैं और आप जाते हैं,
हाँ,
फिर भी आपको ऐसा लगता
हाँ,
है?
बुलाने पर ही जाते हैं घर भी, या फिर जब तक घर से कॉल नहीं आता तब तक जाते ही नहीं है। फिर भी लगता है जैसे कि मुझे नहीं रुकने का मन नहीं करता।
अच्छा, वहाँ पे आपको रुकने का मन नहीं करता है, तो आप क्या
जी,
करती
पता
हैं?
नहीं
कूद के
क्यों।
आ जाती हैं? अच्छा,
हाँ,
तो घर में आपको
एक्चुअली
अच्छा
मैं
लगता है?
यहाँ हाँ, मुझे यहाँ अच्छा लगता है जहाँ मैं रहती हूँ। मैं पटना से
तो
हूँ।
घर में अच्छा लगता है, वहाँ पे अच्छा नहीं लगता है, तो
जी।
क्या डिफरेंस आप फील करती हैं? क्या डिफरेंस
हाँ,
फील करती
मुझे
हैं?
डिफरेंस फील करते हैं जैसे कि कभी-कभी वो जैसे कभी वो लोग कुछ बोलते हैं तो लगता है कि मेरा वो लोग मजबूरी में शायद बुलाए हों, ऐसा लगता है।
मजबूरी, अच्छा, मजबूरी में बुलाए हैं।
हाँ।
और क्या फील करते हैं?
हाँ, जैसे कि हेलो?
हाँ, आई विल लिसन यू, आई एम
सर,
लिसनिंग
सुनाई
यू।
नहीं दी।
मैं आपको सुन रहा हूँ,
हाँ।
बोलिए। ओके,
जी,
बोलिए।
जी। हाँ, ऐसा लगता है कि कैसे कि वो लोग जैसे कि नहीं होता है किसी काम को कोरम पूरा करना।
काम को, हाँ, थोड़ा ऐसे
ऐसा लगता है।
हाँ, दूसरों को दिखाने के लिए, मन रखने के लिए बुला लिए हैं, नहीं?
Okay.
अच्छा,
Thank you.
हाँ।
Thank you. Anybody have any question to Anjali, or shall we go for discussion? Thank you, Kanha. Thank you, Gitima, for volunteering.
thank you, ma'am.
First
Thank you,
time
ma'am.
you are volunteered.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
We got a chance to do this, ma'am, in front of you, so we should be thankful to you.
No, very interesting. We will come back. But before that, I want anybody in this group have any question to Anjali can come up. Nahi to we'll go for discussion for 5 minutes on this.
I have a question.
Yes.
Anjali?
Ayushi has a question. And Smita. Smita. Yeah.
Hello,
Ayushi
ma'am.
first. Ayushi first and Smita next.
Okay, Anjali ji, can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
But Ayushi, we want to see you.
Oh, sorry. My apologies. I forgot to turn the camera on.
No problem. No need of apology here.
Hi, Elsie.
Yeah.
हाय अंजलि जी, मेरा सवाल है कि ये जो आपका रिलेटिव्स के घर जाने का जो आपका मन नहीं करता है, मतलब कि क्या ये हमेशा से होते आया है या फिर ये मतलब कि रिसेंट टाइम से हो रहा है, या हमेशा से आप ऐसे
नहीं, ये
महसूस करते हैं
चाइल्डहुड
कि
से ही है। जब मैंने 9th या 10th में थे तभी से ऐसा फील होता है मुझे।
अच्छा,
एडोसेंस स्टेज में थे तभी से ऐसा लगता है और अभी तक है कि चाहता ही नहीं है।
उसके पहले आपको रिलेटिव्स के घर जाना अच्छा लगता था?
हाँ, मतलब कोई ऐसा नहीं था, ठीक लगता था मतलब, लेकिन उसके बाद से मुझे लगता था मुझे अब लगता है जाने का ही दिल नहीं करता, पता नहीं क्यों। मामा इतना बुलाते हैं फिर भी नहीं जाने का दिल करता।
अंजलि, आप
हेलो मैम।
हाँ अंजलि, आपको अच्छा लगता है, वो फ्री लगता है जाने के लिए मामा मामी जी के घर?
नहीं, बुलाता है नहीं जाते।
तो आप बात कर सकते हैं कि नहीं उन लोग के साथ फ्री में? मैंने जैसे कि नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन।
हाँ नॉर्मल, लेकिन ज्यादा देर तक बात नहीं कर पाते। मतलब मतलब थोड़ा उन लोग बच्चे से किसी का बात करना पसंद नहीं, वो लोग अजीब तरीके से बात करते हैं।
जैसे आपको थोड़ा ये लगता है, जैसे डर लगता है?
नहीं, डर नहीं, गुस्सा आता है।
वो होता है किसी किसी का नेचर। ठीक है, तो आपको मैंने गुस्सा आता है, अच्छा नहीं लगता है, इरिटेट लगता है, ऐसा लगता है?
हाँ, इरिटेटिंग लगता है। मतलब एक ही चीज को जैसे एक ही चीज को तोड़ मरोड़ के बार बार बोलना मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता। तो वो लोग ऐसे बात करते हैं।
ओके,
अपना
तो इसीलिए मैं बात
फ्रेंड्स को कैसा लगता है?
ओके,
ठीक है ना?
हेलो, ठीक से बात कर।
थैंक यू सो मच।
नहीं, फ्रेंड्स लोग।
Hello.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Pushpanjali will say something. Last chance, Pushpanjali, and then we'll go ahead with the discussion. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to say something?
I think she's confused. She's confused with her problem because she's not consistent with her words in every sentence. Every sentence and every moment, her words and emotions are changed. I think she's confused.
Here, see, I could see a judgmental counselor and a lawyer counselor, isn't it? See, it's so automatic that we ask. मेरा सवाल ये है, if we start like this, it's so much like a lawyer सवाल, है ना? Anyway, it's interesting. We all have to unlearn to fit in.
Police taking statement.
Yeah, we saw the police, we saw the lawyer, we saw the judge, everything we saw. Okay. Anyway, Elizabeth, you want to ask anything to Anjali or not to Anjali? One or two observations on this, then we can discuss for 5 minutes on this.
No. For me also, it's a very new thing for me because I have not been dealing with this paper. I am listening. I'm a listener here, so I'm learning from listening. So
No, we need proof.
yeah.
We need proof for your listening.
Yeah, listening. And what I can only say is that no, like we need to come out from that questioning, probing, that type. So yeah, that is what.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, some good observations. I know initially counselor also will not know what to ask. That is also a situation sometimes we face. So that will be the time when there is one skill called as leading. Leading, leading. There is a skill called leading. We'll practice that also. When the counseling is not proceeding, there are 5 to 6 ways of leading that we can learn. Here, Anjali, we can use this is another skill, self-disclosure as a skill. I also like to stay at my home only.
Yeah, really, ma'am.
I also like to stay at my home. If you ask 50 of your classmates here, who would prefer going to somebody's house and staying if there is no compulsion? Anybody like to go and stay in somebody's house when there is no compulsion?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I will stay in my house.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, home is where so there are so many statements, no? This home, east or west, home is the best.
Home is the best way.
Home is where home is place
Yes,
where
ma'am.
the heart is. There are so many such beautiful sentences which signify the supremacy of home.
It's very leave
So the
other person's home or other relatives' home is very feeling awkward.
Ma'am,
But
maybe
as yeah, Suman.
ma'am, maybe I am a bit different from others, but not all relatives. But yes, I do love to stay with my granny whenever I visit.
I was
She's
coming
at
to it.
Shillong. I love to stay.
It's not that there may be some places where we like to go. There may be some places we don't like to go. But as a compulsion, as a social requirement, sometimes we have to go. All of us abide by certain social norms and we may visit. So probably Anjali ka ye question ke liye, as Elizabeth said, definitely we need to come out of this kind of a shield. If we feel I don't want to come at all, I don't want to go anywhere, I also love my home, you all love your home, but at time of need, or there will be some place in this world where we like to go also. We need to explore all these things. If there is a barrier, total barrier in a person where they cannot go to somebody's house, definitely it requires some intervention. When do we require the intervention? Only if Anjali wants to go and stay with the family, then only she needs our intervention, no? Anjali, do you want to come out of this situation?
Yes,
okay then. Okay. Then we will.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You want to come out of, you want to go and stay in somebody's house, relative's house?
No, ma'am.
See. So now you know where is the difficulty. She doesn't want to go. Now there is much more to go in to find out what could be the reason. Sometimes I'm telling you a last possibility that there may be some people who by their personality they don't want to go and stay at all. We need to find out, and if there is necessity, how do we prepare them that they can go, because this sometimes becomes a requirement. Anyway, we have clinical psychologists also in our group as resource persons. I'm sure Anjali will get some ways of coming out of her problem by another few days, and we will continue this discussion, Anjali, definitely. Thank you so much for coming out with your difficulty query.
Yes, Thank you, ma'am.
Now, you have another class with Professor B.N. Panda. I have sent the link to him also because he said he would join here. Somebody is not able to join. If sir is not joining, maybe one more, a typical school situation, you can, imaginary also you can come up with. Yeah, Rajeshri wants to come up. You want to be a client or a counselor?
I want to be a client, ma'am.
Client. Whom you can choose the counselor now. See what option you have. You have 41 people to choose from.
Okay.
Yes.
I want Suman, ma'am.
Suman Verma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Suman. All of you, please note down the possibilities and their expressions. Yeah.
I'm unable to see Rajeshri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, somebody is posting lucky client Rajeshri. Who can choose?
Hello.
I want to share.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. I want to share my own experience. What I really had a problem since now also. It's my school days. I have a fear to face the stage.
Okay. Stage.
Yes, stage fear. It's make me anxious, very fear to whenever it comes to a time to give a speech, to take participate in a debate competition. That is why I have never participated in a debate competition.
Okay.
मुझे मतलब मन था करने का, लेकिन मैं कभी कर भी नहीं पाई. मैं स्क्रिप्ट प्रिपेयर करके रखती हूँ, लेकिन कभी मतलब ये हुआ नहीं कि मैं सामने जाके बोल पाऊँ.
हिम्मत नहीं होती.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है. और जब कभी भी ऐसा टाइम आता है कि ठीक है मैं उसको एस्केप नहीं कर पाती, नहीं कर सकती, मुझे कंपलसरी करना भी है, तो मैं जाती हूँ करने के लिए स्टेज पे, लेकिन then I got totally blanked. My mind got totally blanked. It's blackout.
अच्छा.
It's a really a genuine problem of mine. That is why I मतलब मैं प्रेफर भी करती हूँ कम बोलने के लिए. जब भी गैदरिंग होता है मैं बहुत ही कम बोलती हूँ. मन में मतलब स्ट्रक्चर करते रहती हूँ सेंटेंसेस को कि कैसे बोलूँ, कोई गलती ना हो जाए. आई एम क्वाइट श्योर कि आप लोग वो मेरे में वो ऑब्जर्व कर भी पा रहे होंगे कि मैं सही से स्ट्रक्चर नहीं कर पाती हूँ सेंटेंसेस. इट्स मेक्स मी वेरी एंशियस.
आप बहुत अच्छे से बता पा रहे हैं अभी अपनी बात. और आप जब बात करते हैं या कभी स्टेज पे मौका मिलता है तो आप कोशिश किए हैं, ये चीज बचपन में तो नहीं हुआ होगा, कभी क्लास 1-2 में तो जरूर स्टेज पे चढ़े होंगे आप, तो उस वक्त तो बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा.
शायद तब हुआ होगा. मैं डांस भी करती हूँ, मैं स्टेज में जाके डांस भी करती हूँ. इट्स लाइक अ हॉबी, बट फिर भी मतलब कुछ कुछ चीजें भूल जाना जैसे पसंद है करना, बट आई कांट हेल्प माई सेल्फ. हो नहीं पाता है मेरे से.
ओके. तो मतलब स्पीच वाली चीजें नहीं हो पाती हैं, लेकिन बाकी दूसरी क्रिएटिव चीजें आप कर पाते हैं.
नॉट वेरी वेल, नॉट वेरी वेल.
ओके.
जो भी स्टेज फियर है.
अच्छा.
थैंक यू.
यस.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very interesting. But I'm surprised. Somebody saying I find it difficult to speak in public is speaking in front of 50.
मैम ये धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस कर करके हो रहा है.
And yes, Suman, how did you feel as a counselor listening to? Were you inside thinking, how should I listen? How should I show this? How should I? What was your feeling?
Ma'am, truly speaking, I could connect with her. Like I too had stage fear up till my school days. I would say up till my school days. just after that, I went to RI Bhubaneswar. I would like to tell out the things over here. When we were giving that practice teaching, so our that introduction of lesson that was going on, and S.C. Panda sir was there. So the topic given to me was sound, and I was so afraid to face the whole gathering, whole class together. So people made different things, and I was knowing if everybody will be looking at me, I will not be able to speak. So I remember that I asked everybody to close their eyes. Then I started making different sounds. I clapped. I switched on the this thing switches. Then I rubbed the blackboard, and then I asked, "So, do you think anything happened in between?" And by that time, I was shivering. So I could connect with her in that manner, and I could say, "Yes, this kind of feelings are
That
very
exactly
normal."
happened with me, ma'am. That exactly
Yeah,
happened
and
with me.
Okay. And one more thing which happened, ma'am, when I used to face the stage, the body temperature used to increase. I could feel the heat on my cheeks. So these are the things which I could connect with her, and I was trying to listen to her first. I didn't give any such. I just wanted
Yeah,
to know more from
yes,
her.
yes. Some are giving, you were very good listener, you were nodding and all that was there. Definitely during our classes in this platform, we will come to know how did you come out of this?
Sure, ma'am.
So
Sure,
that
ma'am. Sure,
people like Rajeshri will also get
yeah, sure.
some ideas how we can come out of this. These are all, let us share all our experiences like this. It will be anything else as a counselor. What did you? Yeah, non-judgmental was there. Yeah, yes.
Ma'am,
To tell one more, this is one issue that
the process what Sumanji followed, I like it, and it was quite good also. Very interestingly and cleverly, he made Rajashriji to answer to her own problem.
Can I be a client? Can I be a client?
Yes, please. You can choose the counselor.
I will choose Kanha.
Very lucky, Kanha. Okay. Now, any last line? Anything about Suman? Anybody? Maybe I would just say.
Ma'am, can I say?
Who's that? Rajeshri. Yes, as a
What
counselor.
I feel.
Elizabeth and
What I
Kanha, be
felt.
ready. Be ready. Rajeshri.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can feel and receive the warmth of Suman madam, which make me feel good to express myself.
Okay. You as a client felt comfortable with her. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Attentive, nodding. Okay. Everything was fine. Maybe all are giving very positive, Suman. I will say one thing which you can avoid. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
May I?
Yeah, please, ma'am.
Maybe you can. Your smile was continuous.
Okay.
From the beginning till the end. At time, when she was really saying, I have this difficulty, you can, instead of a broad smile, you can have a very welcoming gesture on your face, your facial expression.
Okay, ma'am.
Because it happens, you want to, you are pretending also to be listening because all of us are watching you. It happens. I'm just saying sometimes by nature we smile more.
Yes, ma'am.
This I remember one thing, when there was a condolence meeting and one of my colleague went and she stood near the mic and said, "We are very sad to know that so and so passed away."
Yeah.
How can I say that? Your acting is more, yeah, I don't believe.
Maybe I lack little less than the true. This is very true, okay? We are all very sad today. One of our colleagues passed away by heart. Enough. Was it acting?
No, ma'am.
No, sometimes we should be careful sometimes.
Yeah.
Context is very important.
Context
What?
is very important.
Yeah, situation
Sometimes,
and
I
context.
may not be very sad, somebody passed away, but
It
I
shouldn't
should
be.
at least be not showing happiness.
Yeah.
That is the contextual requirement. That is what is the kind of, empathy when we practice, we develop all these abilities. Sometimes when the child gets hurt and comes, it is like my own pain. Is it hurting? It's that pain we feel and we express that pain also. When the child comes very happily for something, we should also be reciprocating with our emotion, smile and all that. No, I felt Suman was smiling is very important for eliciting more information from the client, no doubt. But depending on the situation, sometimes we can stop that also. Okay, Elizabeth.
Okay, I'm narrating. Okay.
Ma'am.
Video is required. I will not show video. Okay, I'll just narrate.
No, we need
video.
99.99 we need. If 0.01
Okay, now okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I'm having water phobia. Yeah, because when I was reading in class 8, I got drowned. I got drowned in a river. So drowned. I got डूब गया पानी में. So I almost, I almost got drowned, and that was a very traumatic situation for me. So after that incident, I cannot go near, deep dark water, like it big tanky, deep dark, water. I'm very scared of this water. Okay, so whenever I go with my family to Puri also, if they go a bit inside the water, I cannot. I panic. I'm telling, come. I don't know how to enjoy also if they go inside the water. So I think I'm having water phobias. I'm scared of water. And another thing, after that incident, when I go to my mother village, there is one big pond. So to go to my mother village, we have to cross near the pond. We have to go near the pond. So I am so scared. I cannot go near the pond. I'm so scared of that pond. I am unable to cross the road. So
you are unable to cross the road also.
Yeah, because it's nearby the pond. So some elder used to carry me in their bag. Then I used to cross that road. So till now I'm having that water phobia. I'm scared of deep dark water. Water is just like that small river, small stream. It's not a problem, but deep dark, big tanky, such water, I'm very scared. So sometimes it disturbs me when family go for sea beach and all. So that is my problem. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt the client and the counselor. One question which I can't control. Now when you go to your mother's village, who carries you on their back?
I will fly by aeroplane.
Who is that weightlifter?
It is understood with whom man might have gone. Have you ever gone to any swimming pool, ma'am, or any very few
swimming pool? No, swimming pool also. I try to overcome this problem. I try to swim again, but I'm not completely overcoming this. I'm still having that fear.
You know swimming also, ma'am.
I knew, and then that's why I knew, and we used to swim in the river. So I went to the deep side, the inside.
Deep
That's how I
inside.
got drowned. So after that,
Drowned.
I don't swim anymore.
So fear
So
develop.
yeah,
That means.
fear develop. Fear develop.
Okay, ma'am. So for small water, no problem. For deep water, you have some fear.
Yeah, deep, dark water.
Dark.
dark होते हैं ना, ऐसा देखने से ऐसा. Yeah.
But ocean is something different from this river, ma'am. In Puri, you have gone, also you fear there.
Yeah.
But
my children know, they will go inside. My husband will go inside. I will keep on shouting, so I don't enjoy the outing. I say, come back, come back, come back. So I'm not enjoying.
I know.
Okay, ma'am. They didn't try to take you inside. They might
yes.
have tried. Like
no,
you are
because
telling them come back, they might have called you, mom, come inside, come inside.
yeah, they call me, but I cannot go. I'm scared. And I also disturb them. No, come back, come back. I'm standing and calling them.
That fear was continuing till now, ma'am.
Yeah, I still have.
Okay.
I still have.
So ma'am, have you tried ever to any other way to overcome this problem?
No, I did not try. I did not
You
try,
have
and
not.
another thing. No, in the last 2 years, my family, we went to Anugul, to relative place. My son also got drowned in the water.
Oh,
So that
will
aggravate the situation. That aggravate. My younger son got drowned. So then luckily I saw it. I'm very cautious near water because of my fear. So I saw my son getting drowned. I shouted, and then my friends, they went and took him out. So again, my son getting drowned, me getting drowned in my school days. So that really aggravated. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So fear continues also after this second incident also.
Yeah, second incident also happened.
That second like this. Anybody in the family members, they try to help you in this matter, ma'am? Family members?
No, I don't talk much also. I tell, but they won't understand. No, there is
We have
like,
not talked, not shared with
not like, counselor and client type. They don't understand.
Okay.
They will just say, "Arey, how you are scared?" No, what you are scared like that? No, so that
They are
kind
not
of
counselors, no?
they are not counselor. They say, "Why you are scared?" And they'll make fun of me also.
Family member.
They make fun of me. Why you are scared? Come inside. My husband is pulling me inside. Then I say, "No, I cannot come."
Okay.
So like that.
Thank you.
Okay,
so
I
much.
think time ho gaya.
Thank you very much. I want 1 or 2 observations. I'll call some names. Lilu Sheikh.
Lilu Sheikh is not there.
He's there.
He's checking somewhere maybe.
Ma'am, I want to convert.
Who? Shekhar?
Myself. Yes, ma'am.
Tell Shekhar your observation.
Ma'am, I did observe Kanha sir when he was responding, paraphrasing. I feel just like that he was repeating some of the words. Pond, this and that. He must be so expressive. Oh, you were scared. And something like that. I was finding he was just repeating. It didn't sound good.
Okay.
That is also correct.
Somebody else? Mohammed Shabir.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed Shabir.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to say anything about the counselor's listening skills?
मैम लास्ट क्लास मैंने ज्वाइन नहीं किया था मैम, तो इसलिए
Sir, we are continuing. Or after 5 minutes, shall I close and ask you?
अब्दुल जी बोलिए.
यस मैम हेलो.
हाँ.
मैम मैं लास्ट क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाया था मैम, इसलिए थोड़ा मुझे एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है थोड़ा.
नहीं, एक्सपीरियंस का बात नहीं है। आप क्या कैसा देखा, कैसा सुना
No, no,
कान्हा
no
को?
acceptance, sir. You can. There is no auto admit hai. Anytime you can enter, sir. Okay. Okay. So then I'll close. You can, if you want, you can generate new one and send after half an hour.
सबीर, एक्सपीरियंस का बात नहीं है। आप थोड़ा कैसा आपको लगा कान्हा का जो ऐसे काउंसलर, उसको आप थोड़ा बोलना है।
Oh,
ऑब्जर्वेशन
yes, yes. Yeah,
बोलो
जी.
बोलो 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 बोलो।
Okay.
Actually,
I'm
ma'am,
sorry I didn't listen to Mohammed Shabir because BN Panda sir wants to talk to you for a while now and
No, he has not say. He's about to say.
yes,
so
Sabir.
ma'am. Yes,
Mohammed
ma'am.
Shabir. Yes. Oh, I didn't
Yes,
miss
ma'am.
anything.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, please.
यस मैम, ये मैं उसमें कुछ ऐड करना चाहता हूँ कि कोई भी फोबिया मीन्स किसी
No, I
इंसिडेंट से
don't
जुड़ा
want.
होता है।
Sorry, not about the incident or the phobia, because so many in the chat box I can see many are saying I also have this fear. So many things, those things will say. I be very specific. As a counselor, the listening skills. What were the skills he was exhibiting as an observer? You can just say about the listening skills. Okay,
Ma'am,
not on the problem.
Ma'am, can I say?
We'll give
Okay,
chance to
ma'am.
Shabir first and then Manshi will come. Yes, Manshi, he's not saying. Let me take a while.
Ma'am, I observed that Kanha sir, her body posture, just like moving your head, just when ma'am is Elizabeth ma'am is saying. Another is when ma'am is told that she was drawn in a river. Kanha sir support him to you to talk to your friends or relatives. You told that the situation or not, or supporting the listeners.
Yes, sir. Oh, maybe time out हो गया. 2 o'clock में शुरू हुआ है ना शायद, इसीलिए sir. Okay, I will tell them and I'll tell them next class you will take. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. Sir, I'll just complete the class and call you, sir. 5 minutes. Okay, Manshi was saying something about the observation skill. Thank you for that.
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe it is too long, more than 1.5 hours, and BN Panda sir is not able to take today's class. He wanted to join, but he is unable to join because the time is more than 1.5 hours since the link was generated. Maybe now they are not able to join. Anybody? Shabir, you want to say, or shall I conclude the class? Let us just. I don't know, in today's class, it was a real learning to me that, see, we understood one thing, people want to speak. We learned this as one of the secret. They just want a listener, and a listener who's attentive, who's empathetic, and who is responding with a positive regard to the speaker. So I think today we could see all the clients who took the role of client were enthusiastic and eager to tell their difficulties, their problems. So this kind of clients, the counselor has less effort in even goal setting and intervention, because they are coming out with their own their problem, they are narrating it, they're going so much into it. It's a kind of understanding themselves. That itself is a very good situation for a client. I'm sure those of you who got the chance to speak today are feeling that yes, you are beginning to find a solution to your problem. That is what is the beauty of counseling, that they get a chance to speak. See, many of them, I was thinking really nobody will come forward to say about their problem because we are in a group. But There was no hesitation, definitely. And there is one more thing which I am observing in anybody's problem. When Ankita was saying, many students were saying, I also have the same problem. When Rajeshri said about her stage fear, many teachers were saying many students have that problem, we also have. So it is giving an indication on this stage that we are not alone having this problem. And definitely we saw when Suman was telling that I also had this problem, definitely it gives an indication, oh, she could come out of the problem. We will definitely listen to her later classes how she was able to come out of it. But in the meantime, there is something which is within us that which says that, oh, many could come out of this problem. So my problem is not something which is only I am facing. And Anjali also, there were one or two who were telling, and all of us agreed that we love our home, but definitely we'll come back and we'll go deep into the situation when we go to analysis of the problem. Thank you so much. You don't
You have to solve my problem also.
See, counseling is not panacea to all problem. Some problems will be with us, but we need to manage. Actually, your problem is not problematic to you. Your problem is problem to your family.
Oh,
Because
is it?
Because you don't let them enter water.
Okay.
So definitely it requires some attention. We will come to you also.
Yeah, that's what.
It requires attention. Definitely it requires. Maybe another 2 sessions with you.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
मैम
Yeah,
दिस
Rashmi
रश्मि
Rekha
मैं
Sahu.
कुछ कह सकती हूँ?
Yes, Rashmi Rekha.
हाँ मैम, आपने जो लास्ट में कहा कि प्रॉब्लम्स में स्टे विथ अस, दैट्स राइट, बट काउंसलिंग ये सिखाता है कि अगर काउंसलिंग में ये मिलता है कि हम उस प्रॉब्लम को डील कर सकते हैं, उसको मैनेज करके रख सकते हैं। लाइफ लॉन्ग तो हर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होता है, पर कुछ प्रॉब्लम जो रह जाता है उसके साथ कैसे हम स्टे करेंगे, कैसे हम लाइफ एंजॉय करेंगे, वही तो काउंसलिंग सिखाता है ना।
Yeah.
That,
The end
that
of
line
problem
is
is
very
end of life. है ना?
at the
When
end
there
of
is no
time
problem,
right ma'am,
Thank
at
you.
the end
Thank
of
you
the
for
time everything will be solved.
End when we die. All
So
problems will be solved when we die. So it
we
is,
need
as you
to
rightly said, some problems will we get solution to some problem, but there could be some problem which we have to live with it. But definitely counseling is a help through which we can live with the problem comfortably. That means we are able to manage, we are able to overcome at situation. Let us see all these things in the future classes to come.
Ma'am, one sentence, ma'am. I just want to support Elizabeth, ma'am. That I will take the example of Mihir Sen, who had crossed the Park Street. That once the doctor told he can't swim, but he made practice, ma'am. So if ma'am will try practicing fast in some small water like swimming pool or small pond,
Yes.
the pond or the water which are looking deep but actually not deep. Some fresh waters they look deep, ma'am. So if you practice gradually in small water, looking deep but not so deep, then actually I think this problem may be sorted out and this fear also went out.
Okay. Thank you.
Anyway, some clients are lucky. They are getting some instant suggestions for solution which they can try. Let us continue our discussion. Anybody? I think I should thank those who took the role of counselors today. Next class, I want others. Gitima was volunteering and Kanha volunteered. Thank you. And those who came out with your problem also, you really are courageous and very, very open to the situation. Thank you so much for making the class lively and very, very interactive.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
ma'am. मैम अटेंडेंस कैसे कलेक्ट करूं मैम, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑप्शन नहीं दिख रहा है।
Send as usual. You send, okay?
मैम यहाँ पे कोई ऑटो जनरेटिंग होता है अटेंडेंस?
I see auto generation is there, but I gave you the task today. Say Shekhar
Yes,
Suman
ma'am.
is the attendance
I have
person. If you
selected by
done it
screenshot, but I have.
anyway. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow's class, Lakshmidhar Behra sir is taking at 2:00. Our class. Okay. We missed
Okay, ma'am.
our resource person today, Manoja. Let us see next class she can join. Okay then. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
No, now you know you have some time. Go through your module, listening and responding skills. You learn further practice we can have in the next classes. Okay. Bye bye.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
any task for next class?
Yeah, we should give, no? What can
Post
be the
in Google classes, ma'am. We all will yes. Put the question in Google classes, ma'am.
Yes, I'll do that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for the